I think time spent out here is good for me because it is a stressful year. That's a stressful year for all of us, but for me, this is where I come and just work. I don't have to think about anything. I can get away. It's kind of like a little vacation from the music business. I have friends that are neighbors, and they said, 30 years ago, it wasn't always overgrown. They'd come up here and mow, and it had nice meadows of grass. I always say when you're out doing work, whether it's ranching or construction or land clearing, is you can get stuff done. And sometimes in the music business, you don't really get stuff done. You kind of have the hurry up and wait thing, and it's kind of a never-ending process. So out here, it always comes to an end until the house is built or the shop's up. Just picking up sticks, the dream. Living a dream, picking up sticks with big equipment. We have the CX-130 that's behind us. That's a beast. It's been very powerful and very impressive. It's the CX-75, it's over there. That's more of a mini X, but it's pretty big too. It's 16,000 pounds. And it's got a lot of power. It's nice to have two of them because we got a fire over there, and I kind of work the fire with the other one to come back here and build another fire for future. We had a 750M because I needed a dozer to drag some of these big oak trees. The branches are like that big, but I just needed to get them out of the way, and having a dozer is nice to drag with. And it's got a smooth blade on it. I think it's a badass dozer. If I didn't have the excavator, I'd be digging trees with the 750. The thing with CTLs, you can do so much with them. You really can. And you got the high flow or standard flow, and it's a great machine. And I think every ranch should have one because you just can do so much. And you can pull them around with a dually, and it's just a very cool machine to have. I like always tapping in that side of me to get dirty and get in equipment. And I grew up doing it, and it's something it's in me, when you're off the stage or not writing songs. Like I said, all we really do is write songs and record stuff this year. I don't know, I've been having a great time out here. So I think Case, they make great equipment. Every machine's been solid. Go Case.